8 feet 10 inches. 16-inch inside the bark, 72 board feet. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We're getting out early start today. We got this 2 maples we're going to get cut up today. These are kind of hard maple here. Well, it is hard maple and sugar maple. We're going to get it cut up. I showed you what it looked like at the beginning. It's pretty funky. Big knots on it. 1, 2, 3, and then there's another one on the other side. So actually the piths turned out, if I recall, I just did set this up last night. I'm going to measure this one more time for 14. We're within a 1/4 inch. I thought if we had it. I thought I measured this. So this should yield a decent cant. We'll see. What did I say, 16? So we're going to get at least a 10-inch cant, and if we can get that, we'll plane saw those 10-inch boards. We'll box around that heart. We'll use that heart for some more cribbing. So let's get this started. Haven't even warmed up the mill yet. It's kind of cool out here. It's supposed to warm up a little bit, but not bad today. 80s, not the 90s we've been getting. Again, we're running the SWR 350 Pro setworks on there, which will make this task real easy. We're going to cut 1-inch boards.
One of you asked why I use the log cant up against the log when I'm using the log turner. That's just to keep it from kicking out. On those hydraulic mills, the log's clamp is what they use to keep the log from turning or spinning out with the log turner. And there you have it. No strain whatsoever on my back.
This log turner is a game changer. Perfect. I'm going to tighten up the blade guide just a little. That's right, that's a wrench. Just a little bit here. I think I'm going to need to get some new blades in there. Somebody just recently asked me about, I think it was Gary, roller guides. I really don't have any experience with roller guides. Are they better? I don't know. Would they be better on this kind of homeowner's mill? I'm not sure about that either. I think when the Frontiers first came out, they may have had roller guides on them, but they're all now these guide blocks, like Woodland Mills and a few others. I've run this mill, and you see it, 5 years now, and I've never had to replace them. But I think I'm getting close. I know some people have used hardwood for them. Some people have used aluminum. I might just call Norwood and just get another set. I've looked for them online, some cool blocks, but I have not found any ceramic blocks. Some call them cool blocks, some call them ceramic or non-ceramic or non-metallic. I don't know. I don't even know what they're made out of. And I don't even know how tight to tighten them, to be honest with you. I don't know if they'd shatter, being ceramic or whatever the composition is made up of. Yeah, oh, this one might be a little, you know what, that looks pretty good. I'll leave that one and this one. Okay, back to work, guys.
I'm rotating this log and the next one around to cut out the centers. We have a 17-inch log. Actually, it's tapered pretty good, but the pith is lined right up. So we're gonna stay with it. I found out I didn't have the microphone on. So hopefully I can bring the audio up enough at the beginning so you can hear me. And I probably should be able to, but nevertheless, everything I said while the engine was running, you're not gonna hear. That's unfortunate. I seem to do that a lot. But 1-inch boards out of this. We have my wife out here helping us. I'll give you some different views here. Let's go to 15. I'll help you get this off. Okay, yep, push that.
Tranquil waters.
What do you think? How did it go?
It went smooth, went quick.
It sure makes it nice when there's somebody else helping. I thought we actually worked good together. It seems like the older we get, the better we work together.
It was easy to step in. I did a morning workout after your motivational workout talk the other day.
Oh,
That's why I came
it
up
took you a
with.
few days to get your workout done?
No, I did one the other day too.
Okay. Well, so we're trying to sticker this time as we go, and we're stacking it and putting it away. This is for a customer. This is all maple today. Turned out really nice. Again, those setworks worked fantastic. So very happy. Any questions, guys? Leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share this video, and
It's sawdust.
yeah,
Okay.
that's what happens. Sawdust is our man glitter. That's what we do. So.
That's right.
All right, guys, take care. We'll see you out here next time.
Have a good one.